Hello, welcome to Arts and Crafts. Today we are going to make some blooming flowers. While we are waiting for flowers to bloom outside, we can make our own. You are going to need a big bowl. Go grab one from the kitchen and put some water in there. And you're going to need paper, markers, and scissors, and that's all. We are going to attach We are going to attach a flower pattern to the information we're going to send to your parents, but if it's not possible to print, just draw one just like this and use the markers to color it, and then scissors to cut it. If you struggle with scissors, ask for some help. Here is the flower. I have made a tiny one, a small one, but you can make a big one and the shape that you want. Use the colors like I have done here. And now you will have to fold them. Well, no, just fold them very gently and lightly, not too tight, just like that. I'm gonna fold them all. And then drop them in the water and see what happens. What do you think will happen? Let's see. Well, you can also count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. Ooh. I think I did not put them so. It's nice to use watercolors so you can see the color, like the water getting some colors. Mine, for example, now I see some yellow and some red. Oh, they're blooming. The flowers are blooming, look. We are having blooming flowers, blooming flowers. Okay, I hope you really enjoy this activity and make as many as you want and enjoy having your blooming flowers. And subscribe in our channel and send me your videos and pictures. Don't forget to do that. Bye bye, lots of hugs.